Tebra versus Practice Fusion 2025. Which EHR is best for your practice? Choosing an EHR in 2025 is crucial, but Tebra and Practice Fusion serve slightly different needs. Most people get this wrong by assuming all EHRs are the same. They aren't. Tebra is modern, cloud-based, and designed for small to medium practices. You won't believe what happens next. It combines scheduling, billing, and telehealth in a single platform, reducing admin overhead. Practice Fusion is also cloud-based and user-friendly, but focuses heavily on charting and compliance. Unlike Tebra, it may require third-party integrations for billing and scheduling. Pricing differs. Tebra charges a subscription for its all-in-one suite, while Practice Fusion is mostly free for basic features with optional paid add-ons. So which is best? For streamlined, all-in-one practice management, Tebra is ideal. For a lightweight, compliant EHR with strong charting features, Practice Fusion works well. The surprising truth is that the right EHR depends on your practice size, workflow, and whether you value integrated management or specialized charting features.